Itong conflict na possible na mangyari sa China Sea at saka sa atin sa West Philippine Sea at saka sa Taiwan at meron ng mga nakaposisyon na mga parang mga puwersa. Ano ang masasabi mo doon sa pagkakalagay ng EDCA? Ito ba'y posible kung magkaroon ng conflict ang USA and China, madadamay ang ating bansa?
Plenty. Nandyan na yung Visiting Forces Agreement, but it was not during my time. I think it was President Aquino, which gave the Americans the right to enter the country and magdala ng armas. When I say armas, it's not a rifle. It's the armaments, it's the missiles, it's the cannons, and the big weapons that are used any conflict or any war. Ganun yan. Sa panahon ko, medyo pigil kasi ayaw ko. Not because I do not like America. Huwag kayong makinig dito mga Amerikano na mga siraulo na ganon talaga Amerikano. I cannot understand why we cannot criticize them. Pagka pinatawag mong pansin sa kanila, sometimes they take it as an offense that you are anti-American. Look, I am not for America. I am not for China. I am not for Taiwan. I am not for anybody. But I am for solely the interest of my country, the Republic of the Philippines. Wala nga. Yung laro nung akin, sabi nila, itong di keep on harping at yung mga panahon na presidente ako na hindi ako pumayag at saka nakipagkaibigan ako kay Xi Jinping at sa Russia. Well, why do I have to, bakit ko ganun pa sa Amerika na kaibigan naman tayo? Nandito na nga ang mga, hindi ko na kailangan na idedicate ko pa. So yung mga countries which are a bit antagonistic to us, because of the presence of America, and because we are allied with America, medyo nagadistansya sila. And of course, over time, the friction was there. So when I was president, I decided to just go to President Xi Jinping and explain to him na, well, I am not really that stupid to allow my country to be used as a pawn. Yung pinupusta ka. Kung pagka sa barahay, ikaw yung barahay, tinatapon na. Sabi ko, I would like a Philippines that's neutral. Yun rin ang sinabi ko sa Russia. Kasi ang Russia pati ang China, hindi natin kaibigan. Ang kaibigan natin ang Amerika. So hindi na ako kailangan ng punta ng Amerika para you rabbit, steal more, just to make that connection or alliance or friendship, whatever it is, however it is called, to make it more deeper. Wala na eh. We have been colonized by America.